Iran responded to the European Union's final draft text to save a 2015 nuclear deal on Monday, an EU official said, as the Iranian foreign minister called on the United States to show flexibility to resolve three remaining issues. After 16 months of fitful, indirect US-Iranian talks, with the EU shuttling between the parties, a senior EU official said on August 8 it had laid down a final offer and expected a response within a very few weeks, while Washington has said it is ready to quickly seal a deal to restore the 2015 accord on the basis of the EU proposals. Iranian negotiators said Tehran's additional views and considerations to the EU text would be conveyed later. The EU official on Monday provided no details on Iran's response to the text. "We do not want to reach a deal that after 40 days, 2 months or 3 months fails to be materialized on the ground," the United States said. The deal could only be revived if Iran dropped extraneous issues. Diplomats and officials told foreign media outlet that whether or not Tehran and Washington accept the EU's final offer, neither is likely to declare the pact dead because keeping it alive serves both sides' interests.